Good morning to all. Myself Ajan, Assistant Professor, Rohini College of Engineering Technology, Palkulam, Kanyakumari. Today I am going to explain about water demand. First of all, what is water demand? Quantity of water required for a person, for a particular town, or for a specified purpose. Okay, this is called water demand. Then, what are the types of demand? While designing the water supply schemes of the town, it is also necessary to determine the total yearly demand as well as monthly demand variations in the demand rates. Next, what are the types of water demand? Various types of water demand. First one, domestic water demand. Second one, fire demand. Third one, commercial and industrial demand. Fourth one, demand for public uses and compensate losses demand. Then domestic demand. First type of water demand is domestic demand. It includes the quantity of water required in the houses for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and other purposes. Okay, these are comes under domestic water demand. The quantity of water required for domestic use mainly depends on the habits of people, social status and climatic condition. Okay, if climatic condition is cold, water demand is less. Climatic condition in summer time, water demand is more. Okay, in India, on an average, domestic consumption of water under normal condition is about 135 liters per capita per day. Okay, in developed countries, it may vary from 350 liters per capita per day. Then next demand is fire demand. Fires generally break in thickly populated localities and industrial area and cause serious damages of properties and sometimes lives of the people are lost. As during fire breakdowns, large quantity of water is required for throwing it over the fire to extinguish it. Therefore, provision is made in the water work to supply sufficient quantity of water. In the cities, fire hydrants are provided on the water mains at an interval of 100 meter to 150 meter. Okay, here fire demand is calculated by using some formulas also. The next type of demand is commercial and industrial demand. Commercial buildings and commercial centers like office buildings, warehouses, stores, hotel, shopping center, schools, temples, cinema house, railway and bus stations. The water requirements of commercial and public places may be up to 45 liters per capita per day. Then water required in the industries mainly depends on the type of industries existing in the city or towns. The quantity of water demand for industrial purposes is around 20 to 25 percentage of the total demand of the city. According to industries located in the area, demand is varying. The next demand is demand for public use. Quantity of water required for public utility purposes. What are the public utility purposes such as washing, sprinkling on roads, cleaning of sewers, watering of public parks, gardens, public fountains, etc. Comes under this public demand. To meet the water demand for public use, provision of 5% of total consumption is made designing the water works for a city. Okay. Then last type of water demand is compensate losses demand. All the water which goes in the distribution pipes does not reach the consumers. Okay, some of the pipeline having defective joints and other reasons. Okay, water is fully not supplied to the consumers. First, following are the reasons: losses due to defective pipe joints, cracked and broken pipes, faulty valves and fittings. Then losses due to consumers keep open their taps of public taps even when they are not using the water and allow the continuous wastage of water. Then losses due to unauthorized and illegal connection. Some people make illegal connection in the main service reservoir. That cases also water demand will increases. Okay, while estimating the total quantity of water of a town, allowance of 15% of total quantity of water is made to compensate for losses, theft and wastage of water. Okay.